And you guys, and today I'm going to show you how to create a map on Google My Maps. The first thing you will do is type in mymaps.google.com. When you get to the My Maps page on Google, you will notice up here it says create a new map. You click that one and you start your map. The first thing you want to do is give your map a title. This one will be California regions. I'm going to save it here. If you want, you can add a description. Now, if you notice up here, you see the three little dots right here. If you click that, you can add a new map, copy your map, open a map that you have, move this map to the trash if you didn't like it, set a default view, embed on your site, print the map. You have options. Right here in the middle, it says add a layer, share, preview. When you finish, if you'd like to share, you can share your map. You can choose, can edit, can view. Okay. The add a layer is something that you want to do if you want to pin different colors or focus on different places or maybe different dates that you want to pin something in history. Adding multiple layers lets you click and unclick layers, and depending on what's clicked is what shows up. So I'm going to give this layer a title. This will be coasts. I'm going to save it. You can make multiple layers, then click and unclick, or you can do a layer as you go. Okay. Also, down here at the bottom where it says base map, if you click it, you can choose what view do you want. Do you want it to be satellite, simple, terrain, mono color city here? All depends. Since I'm focusing on regions, I'd like to do terrain. So this is where I'm going to keep it. I'm going to zoom in just a bit. I'm on California. Okay. What I'm going to add, since my map is going to be geared for elementary school, let's say 3rd grade, they study the California regions. Up here, where it says draw a line, you can use this to add a driving route, add a biking route, add a walking route. I'm just going to use it to draw a line just to see the border more clearly. And just keep clicking and dragging and clicking as best I can. It's not going to be perfect, but it'll help just emphasize the border there. Oh, let's see. Cancel that one. Let's see if I can take that one back. There we go. Okay. And now we finished that one. Okay. And there it is. So I want to pin the codes. So I'm going to type up here in the search engine. I'm going to type in Malibu. Here's Malibu Beach. And it takes me straight to Malibu Beach. The pin is right here. Now, if this is what I want, I just click add to map. It is blue. I want to keep it blue. I can have it that blue. I can have it a lighter blue. It's up to me, more of a teal. You can use popular icons here, or I'm going to choose a star for this one. There's also more icons you can choose from. Okay. You can customize it. You can change the color, the icon, and then when you're finished, that's what it's going to pin. Now up here, you can click on the camera and you can go to Google image search. And you can search for an image of Malibu Beach. I'm going to click that one. I want to select that one. So when someone hovers over the pin or clicks it, this image will pop up. Students can type in here. If you're doing like I'm doing California regions, what do they see? What do they notice? What do they notice about the region? Okay, and then you would save it. Okay, I'm going to just zoom out. Okay, here we go. And there it is. Here's the pin. Okay, I'm going to add a layer. Now you notice that the line that I made is on this layer. In order for it to show up, coast has to be clicked because it's right here. I'm going to add a layer. And I'm going to title this Mountains. Save it. I'm on this layer right now, so I'm going to search for, I'm going to unclick this one just so you see. Okay, going to search for Mount Whitney. And here's where it took me. I'm going to add that. I want that to be, let's say, a purplish color. And I'm going to keep it as that type of pin. I want to add a picture, so I'm going to search and choose an image. It pops up. Okay, again, students can type in here what they notice, what they see. Save that. Okay, I'm going to zoom out. What I like about the terrain one is you can see you're doing regions, you can see the terrain. Okay, I'm going to move this over here. Now if I click on coasts, that comes up, this pin comes up. Another thing you can do here is if you see this ruler and you click on the ruler, you can click from one point to another and it'll tell you pretty much the distance. Okay, you can click to another place. I thought that was pretty interesting. I like the little feature. Okay. Again, base is where you can go ahead and change to different types of maps. And you would continue adding a layer. The layer would be valleys, and then the next layer would be deserts. You can add the pins, you can add the information, and then you would be finished. If you want to share it, you can share it. You can preview it. This is what it looks like. And pretty much this is how you make a map on My Maps.